Joseph John Thomson, also known as Sir J.J. Thomson, was a British physicist but also helped out in the chemistry world. He was born on December 18, 1856 in Cheetham Hill near Manchester, England. He lived with his father, Joseph James Thomson, who was a bookseller, and his mother, Emma Swindles, who came from a family that owned a cotton company. He also had a younger brother whose name was Frederick Vernon Thomson. At the age of 14, he entered Owens College, which is now the University of Manchester. He took some courses in experimental physics. He was able to get scholarships at Trinity College in Cambridge. With that scholarship, he was able to study mathematics. Thomson obtained his bachelor's degree in mathematics in 1880. While working in the Cavendish Laboratory, he quickly earned a membership in the Royal Society at the age of 28. The Royal Society recognizes, promotes, and supports excellence in science. One of his biggest accomplishments is the cathode ray tube. In 1894, Thomson began studying cathode rays, which were displayed in a vacuum tube with glowing beams of light that follow electrical discharge. Within this experiment, he was able to measure the angle which the lights deflected and calculated the ratio of the electrical charge to mass of particles. He determined that matter is made up of particles that are much smaller than atoms. Initially, those particles were called corpuscles, but now they are called electrons. In 1904, he worked alongside Lord Kelvin for the plum pudding model, also known as the chocolate chip cookie model. The plum pudding model helped us observe that the atom is a sphere of positive and negative charged ions that are combined to balance a positive charge. Without Thomson's cathode ray tube experiment, this would have been very difficult to discover. Unfortunately, the plum pudding model had to be abandoned due to Rutherford's atomic model. In 1906, Thomson was awarded with a Nobel Prize. He received this award for his theoretical and experimental investigations on the conduction of electricity by gases. J.J. Thomson married Rose Paget, and together they had 2 kids, a boy and a girl. Later, his son went on and won a Nobel Prize of his own. Thomson's life came to an end on August 30, 1940 in Cambridge, England.